Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw some French fries. Let's start off by drawing a line going down at a slight angle, followed by a really wide curve at the bottom. Then, another line going up at a slight angle. From the left end, draw a line going to the right, followed by a deep curve in the middle, and a horizontal line to finish off the box. For the fries, draw a bunch of rectangular shapes on top at different angles, starting at the lowest part and building up until you filled it all up. To add some detail, draw a strip along the top of the box like so, and a wide oval in the middle of the box for the logo. And now you've got some French fries.